Last time we will see the definition of pollination, then agents of pollination or agencies of pollination. That is, they are of two types: abiotic pollination and biotic pollination. The first, we will see the pollination, that is, with the help of wind, the pollination takes place. It is called the anemophily type of pollination. When pollination is carried out with the help of wind, called anemophily type of pollination. And when the pollination takes place with the help of water, it is called hydrophily type of pollination. Already we have to see, that is, with the help of wind the pollination takes place, that is anemophily type of pollination, and adaptations develop in such type of pollination, the pollinating plants. In those plants the pollination takes place with the help of wind. Then these adaptations are developed in these plants. Then next type of pollination, that is pollination by wind, called the hydrophily. When pollination takes place with the help of water, the pollination type of pollination is hydrophily. It found only in some aquatic monocots like the Vallisneria. Then Zostera, Ceratophyllum, like these monocots, the hydrophily type of pollination occur, and adaptation is developed. Adaptations are found in these plants. Adaptations in hydrophily pollination. Hydrophily type of pollination. What are the adaptations developed in these plants? That is, flowers are small and inconspicuous. The flowers are small and inconspicuous. The flowers are small, minute, and they can do not see clearly and arrange in a group. Such type of flowers are called inconspicuous flowers. Then the perianth and other floral parts are unweightable. Perianth and other floral parts are unweightable. unwettable. Hence, these floral parts are float easily on the surface of water. Then pollen grains are long and unwettable. Pollen grains are long and unwettable, and that is unwettable due to presence of mucilage. Unwettable due to presence of mucilage. The pollen grains are found in these plants are unwettable and they float on the surface of water. Nectar and fragrance are absent. Nectar and fragrance are absent in these flowers. The nectar, production of nectar is absent, fragrance is absent. Like these are the adaptations are found in the aquatic plants. That is aquatic plants. In those plants, the water pollination is carried out with the help of wind. The hydrophily plants are of two types. Hydrophily plants are of two types. That is epihydrophily and hypohydrophily. Epihydrophily and hypohydrophily. Epihydrophily, that is pollination is carried out on the surface of water. Hypohydrophily, pollination is carried out below the surface of water, and in epihydrophily above the surface of water. Pollination takes place. In these types of plants, in this type of plant, the pollination is carried out above the surface of water and below the surface of water. The hypohydrophily, these plants, that is epihydrophily and hypohydrophily, these plants shows some characteristic features. That is, the pollination in these plants, that is flowers, plants are of two types. Epihydrophily plants are of two types, that is male plant and female plant are separate. Male plants and female plant are separate. They are, male plant produce male flowers, female plant produce female flowers. They are appear female flower water level female plant male plant produce the male flowers and they are present in the leaf. They detach from the plant and float on the surface of water. Female plant, that is female plant have a elongated petiole. When both are mature, then the petiole is released and female flower come in contact with, when female flower come in contact with male flower, naturally the pollination is carried out. Female flower again go back in the that is level of the bottom, and in this way the pollination is carried out. अशा पद्धतीनं फिमेल फ्लावर मध्ये पॉलिनेशन हे घडून येतं. At maturity the male flowers get detached from the male plant and they float on the surface of water. Due to the gravity of the water, that is gravity of flowers are less than the water, and due to this they float on the surface of water. In this way the pollination is carried out in these plants, that is aquatic plant, with the help of water. Another point, that is some plants, aquatic plants, in some aquatic plants the pollination is carried out with the help of some aquatic plants, the Anemophilus. Some aquatic plants are Anemophilus. In these plants the pollination is carried out with the help of wind, and example of these aquatic plants like, that is Pentamogenton. Pentamogenton is the aquatic plant, halogris, etc. These are the aquatic plants in which the anemophilous pollination is carried out. Then some aquatic plants are entomophilous. Some aquatic plants are entomophilous. For example, lotus, water hyacinth, water hyacinth. These are entomophilous type of pollinated plants. In this way, the pollination is occur in aquatic plants. Okay, with the help of abiotic type of pollination, the pollination takes place with the help of abiotic type of pollination, pollinating agent. They shows the adaptation like this. Then next point, that is biotic agent. Biotic agents. The biotic agents, when pollination is occur with the help of living things, the type of pollination, that is agents are called biotic agents. 80% pollination is occur with the help of the living things. Out of pollination, 80% pollination is carried out with the help of 80% pollination is carried out with the help of living things, and the agents like the pollination is carried out are it includes insects, birds, snail, bat, etc. Like these are the organisms take part in the pollination. Insects, birds, snail, bat, etc. Adaptations develop in these plants, that is pollination is carried out. When pollination is carried out with the help of insect, pollination takes place with the help of insects. The pollination is called entomophily type of pollination. Entomophily type of pollination, and the entomophily type of pollination, and plants are called entomophilous plants. It occur, for example, rose, then jasmine, sistrum, etc. In these plants, the pollination takes place with the help of wind. Adaptations developed in the entomophilous plant The flowers are large, showy, and often brightly colored. Flowers are large, showy, brightly colored, या प्लांटच्या प्लांटचे फ्लावर्स हे लार्ज असतात, सोयी असतात, कलर्ड असतात. देन these flowers are produce sweet odor, flowers produce sweet odor, that is odor, smell, and have a nectar glands, and have nectar gland. The nectars are secreted by these plants. Then stigma is rough due to presence of hair or sticky due to mucilage secretion. Hairs or sticky due to mucilage secretion. Some other adaptations, like the pollen grains are spiny, pollen grains are spiny due to presence of or surrounded by a yellow sticky substance called pollen kit, that is due to presence of yellow pollen kit called mucilage, surrounded by sticky substance called pollen kit. Hence they are spiny. Then the lever mechanism is found in these plants. Lever mechanism is found in the salvia plant. Lever mechanism, the flower corolla of the flower is bilobed. Corolla of the flower is bilobed. bilobed corolla. Then it has the elongated, that is bifid anther, and when insect visit to such type of flower, they touch to the sterile anther. This is sterile anther and fertile anther. When it touches to the sterile anther, then the elongated fertile anther touches to the back of the body of the insect, and it get burst, and in this way the such type of insect visit to another flower, the pollen grains are transferred. Such type of pollination is found in the salvia plant. It is called lever mechanism. Then, like these adaptations are found in the entomophily type of pollination. Then another type of pollination, that is pollination is carried out with the help of carried out by birds. Type of pollination is ornithophily. Ornithophily type of pollination. That is, ornith means bird, phily means to carry out the pollination, where birds like sunbird, these sunbirds are very small, and it has a long beak. When such bird visit to plants like the bottle brush, that is callistemon, it has the corolla is bell shaped, and the nectar secretion takes place. The nectar is deposited in the flower. To sweep the nectar, the such type of birds visit to the flowers, and the pollination is carried out. It inserts the beak inside the flower like this, and sweep the nectar present in the flower. For that purpose, these sunbirds are visit to the such plants, and the pollination is carried out. Likewise, the pollination is called ornithophily type of pollination. The adaptations develop in these plants adaptations of ornithophily pollination. What are the adaptations found in the ornithophily type of pollination? The flowers are brightly colored. Flowers are brightly colored, large and showy. Large and showy. Then they secrete the nectars. Nectar secretion is present, means it secretes the nectar. Nectar is a sugary sweet substance. To sweep this sugary substance, the bird like the sunbird visit to these plants. Then pollen grains are sticky and spiny. Pollen grains are sticky and spiny. When the pollen grains are sticky and spiny, then these pollen grains are stuck to the body of the insect, that is birds, and transfer from one place to another place. When the pollen grains are spiny, with the help of the spine, they attach to the body of the birds and transfer of pollen grain takes place. Then flowers are without fragrance. Flowers are without fragrance because the birds have poor sense of smell. Because birds have poor sense of smell. Birds have poor sense of smell. Hence, these flowers are without fragrance. या फुलांना वास नसतो कारण बर्ड्स मध्ये स्मेलची कॅपॅसिटी कमी असते. स्मेल घेण्याची कॅपॅसिटी कमी असते. म्हणून या प्लांट्समध्ये फ्लावर्स जे असतात हे सुगंधी नसतात. फ्रेग्रन्स वास येणारे अशा प्रकारचे फ्लावर्स ऑर्निथोफिली टाइप ऑफ पॉलिनेशन होणाऱ्या प्लांट्समध्ये असतात. Then next type of pollination, that is pollination by bat. Pollination by bat. The type of pollination is called the chiropterophily. 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 Pollination is chiropterophily. The flowers are dull colored with strong smell. Flowers are dull colored with strong smell. In these plants, the strong fragrance fragrance या फ्लावर मध्ये फ्रेग्रन्स जो आहे तो स्ट्रॉंग असतो. दे सिक्रीट अबंडंट नेक्टर. दे सिक्रीट abundant nectar. Then flowers produce large amount of edible pollen grain. Flowers produce large amount of edible pollen grains. Edible pollen grains. These pollen grains are feed to the birds, that is bat. Hence they visit to such plants. Plants like Anthocephalus, for example. Anthocephalus, kadam tree, then Adansonia, like these plants, the Chiropterophily type of pollination is occur. अशा प्रकारचे या प्लांट्समध्ये जे पॉलिनेशन होतं हे Chiropterophily टाइप ऑफ पॉलिनेशन हे घडून येतं. ओके, रिमेनिंग पोर्शन सी टू नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. ओके.